We can look at the layers. So if we close out of here and we go to layers, we can see our map using terrain, traffic, transit, biking, and more. We can access the Google Maps on mobile devices, and all you have to do is, download the Google Maps app on your phone, and you'll be able to navigate real time traffic updates and location sharing. Some of the benefits for teachers and colleagues, I mean, field trip planning will be made a lot easier. You can explore destinations virtually and share itineraries with your colleagues and students. Geography lessons will be improved. Collaborative planning, teachers and colleagues can collaborate on event planning, choosing suitable locations, and sharing details. For students and families, I mean, the benefits would be like a school event location. Say that your child has a game at a place that you've never been to before. You can look it up, see how far, what the distance is from your home or from the school, what is around where they're going to be playing, where you can stop off, get some gas or something else, some ice cream. Safe routes. Teachers can help families plan safe routes for their students utilizing Google Maps for the walking or biking to school. You can explore local resources, different community centers, parks. It's pretty much endless. Google Maps provides a dynamic platform for educators, colleagues, and students and families to explore and navigate the world, fostering collaboration and enhancing educational experiences. This is a gem and a total benefit to planning and scheduling things, and a great addition to the Google apps. Thank you.